You can manipulate whoever that you are giving them money, not us.
Now you are
threatening us. Let me take a picture of you. You are threatening us. You think you have power? You have no power. I'm going to show you power.
2021.
2026.
Maria Seven.
7-7.
Shop.
See what you can do.
Malangani, sit down.
Where
are your papers? Are they illegal? I'm not showing the license.
You'll smile.
True.
You'll smile. You think you are playing. You are not playing. You can manipulate whoever that you are giving them money, not us.
Ah.
You're not. So when you are clever, you don't want to sit down.
How about one test of what's about?
Because you are giving this man money. You're not going to You will see the people that you are being given money. You are coming to the end of
Your papers.
Sit down.
Okay. Oh yeah, you see. Mola respani. 10 men, tell men yakwa. Baba, pagam jo di dira man. Baba hambe. Mucho. Ya ki enfo. Baba sa o ba e ko le dita. Two years na mama. Where is your papers in fact? Yeah. Emin, where are your papers? Emin, come. Go inside. Give the paper. Majinza, what was it? Madal, una vez que voy a Madal es otra.
Now you are threatening us.
Let me tell you a picture of you. You are threatening
Now
us.
you are threatening us.
You think you have power?
Now you are threatening
You
us.
have no power. I'm going to show you power. You think you think
2021.
2026.
2026.
Maria sevenza.
Usebenza ngo?
Basebenza amashophu.
Umsebenza kamashop.
Fika izolo. Yeah, fresh ngayibona.
Usebenza ku.
Usakasebenzi. Nina nifike nini?
Mathi ngiyanibona. Alisebenza. The name of the shop.
Let me see. Nisebenza msoni bhatala ngani rent if anisebenza? How do you pay rent? How do you pay rent because you are saying you are not working? How are you paying rent? How many of you in Shalala who are staying here in this room? How many of you? Yeah, but answer was kulum. Answer was kulum. You can't speak. It's 4 of you. But now it's 5 of you.
No, the other one, they come here just to visit us because we just here arrived.
No condition, Jalo. You said you've come here to visit, but now you're staying.
No, I'm saying, what I mean, you said we are 5 of them.
Yes.
So now I'm saying that the other
They are
one.
visiting here in your room.
Yes.
This one is your room.
No,
that guy is staying
Staying there.
Yeah.
So you guys, where are you working then? Because this one, listen, still new this one. You guys, where are you working? Matala, where are you working? At what? Mama, where is that? Where is that?
It's Yanka down there. When you are going to Yemen.
At the shop.
But for me and myself, I work at home. Just like
Work at home doing what?
Huh?
Work at home doing what?
I'm a gardener.
You're a garden. Okay, so you guys, you, both of you, what are you doing then?
Yes, sim shop, Caroline.
Yes, which one?
Yes, I see them. You know, it's I think the barber shop, little barber shop.
Which barber shop? There are many barber shops there. Which one?
Next to
You
Starter
passed the
Pen.
robot or what?
Yeah, you know. Opposite, okay. Okay, finish. You know, okay, finish.
Yes.
Yeah, the opposite.
The one next to the Mr. Price.
Yeah.
Hey bafethu sinenkinga sima South African and shuthi lenkinga isazokwanda if nathi singayinaki. Uyabona nje la isquatter camp la nibona khona kusa squatter camp. Ya babizana bagcwele lana labantu. Hey labantu baningi isquatter camp. Sifikile njengoba nibona ke leya video leya sifikile la izolo ebusuku. Ngoba sizwile kunama complaint nje sasizithi nathi sisondele siyozwa kahle kahle kathi etheni into yala laba fethu man laba fowethu laba baze bayabizana kusese nje kufika abanye abayi2 bashashabo bhayiza new one ama passport wabo aza stampiwe nge2 May baqeda ukufika vele labo bhayiza new one nabo. So ongakuthandi kwenzakala la ukuthi lamandiya lapha etoro zawe edrobheni asebenzisa labantu baseMalawi yiba basebenza lapha etoro bese umbuzo wami uthi aboseswethu bona bosebenza phi nabanye abafowethu abafuna nje umsebenzanyana omncane nedwa ukuphila. So lempi bafethu njengoba nimbona na ubhayiza nyuwana uceda ukufika nomunye umfowabo la gcwele lapha esquatter camp abothi kuhlala boma 15 men lapha yana khona lapha eCaro Park lapha eMandiya neCaro Park ayinalamandiya ethi ayasifeyila man kodwa ke nje kunjalo mphakathi. Hey, sibambe nzima. Awubona nje na i-passport yabhayiza new one ufike manje. Bayabizana labantu bathi hayi umnotho ungaphi. Umbuzo uthi thina-ke siyosebenza kuphi. Bafethu umagagulo sibumbe esikhulu. Umhlaba uhlangene ke bafethu kancane kuzawugcina kuqonda.